how to edit the greens and yellows out of your images without using an action or preset. So here we go. This is straight out of the camera. I took it in the daylight, so hence all these bright spots in the back. But I made sure her skin wasn't spotty. So what you do is come over here under HSL adjustments, which stands for hue, saturation, and luminance. So here under saturation, you're going to decrease your greens and your yellows to what you like. So you can go, very extreme, but whatever you like. Then I increase my blues a little bit. Up here for your reds and oranges, if their skin is really red or orange, you can decrease that as well. I also go over here to luminance, and I'm going to decrease my greens, and that decreases the brightness there. See that? So decrease that, and I'm going to decrease some of the yellow as well. And then I always up the orange just a little bit because it'll brighten their skin a bit. So there you go. I always increase my luminance over here for their skin. Now under basics, I like to increase my dehaze a little bit and my contrast. Now this is all personal preference here. I just like that contrasted color more. So here, depends if you want a deeper edit. I kind of go for the deeper edits usually. But as you can see over here, mostly everything's done over here. You can really see the difference here, and literally I've been doing this for 2 minutes or so. But that's kind of how I do it, and you do not need an action or a preset or anything like that. You can do it by yourself. It's not hard. Another cool thing is once you've edited one in Camera Raw, you can import the settings to other images. So let me show you. Let's open it. Okay, so let's say I want to edit this one and this one together. Now remember, this one I've already done my Camera Raw adjustments. So what I would do is select all and sync. And then look at that, it's already done this one for me. Now this one's a little bit darker, so I will have to do its own adjustments as well. But I don't have to start from the beginning since I've already done this one. So just a little bit to help you guys out. I think it's super easy, and I really don't think you need to buy any presets or anything like that. You can do it all by yourself just by playing around in Camera Raw. And I spend a lot of time in Camera Raw. I probably spend a good 5 to 10 minutes in Camera Raw getting all the settings perfect, because it's just so much easier to edit if you fix everything here first. So I hope that helps you guys.